ओके सो मैं हूं आकाश सिंह और जैसा कि आप जानते हो इंडिया का टेंशन चल रहा है अमेरिका के साथ और भारत कहीं ना कहीं चाइना की तरफ अपने दोस्ती के हाथ बढ़ा रहा है। जो कि मैं तो खुद ही कंफ्यूज हूं और मेरे साथ साथ कंफ्यूज है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स और शायद पूरा इंडिया कि इंडिया को किसके ऊपर टेस्ट करना चाहिए। इसी मुद्दे पर हम बात करने जा रहे हैं। हमारे स्कूल के एक छोटे से एक्सपर्ट हैं अभिनंदन सिंह। अभिनंदन सिंह, इस टॉक शो में आपका स्वागत है। कैसे हैं आप?
Sir, I am fine, and you?
I'm too good, so this conversation will be in English. So, Abhinandan, so what do you think that whom should be trust?
Sir, I think that we should trust on America.
We should trust America.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but right now, na terms between India and America, it's not good. Like America is threatening us.
Sir, America is threatening us because, sir, we should make too much things for America. So that's why America will happy, and then they will.
No, main thing is that now how can we make something for them if someone is threatening? Say there is two frame. Now there are two frame. Like one frame, Trump is saying unnecessary thing, and second frame Xi Jinping, who's the president of China. He is saying, let's come and have a friendship with me. He is saying that elephant and dragon come together.
Sir, but I am thinking that we should not trust on China.
Is there any specific reason behind saying that we should not trust on China?
Yes, sir. Sir, because in 1951, Jawaharlal Nehru said that Hindi Chini bhai bhai, but after 10 year, but after 10 year in 1961, China attacks on India, and
okay. In 1961-62, they attacked in India. After saying the slogan, there was a slogan. We were making the bond between India and China. So it is a history.
Sir, but in also 2019, sir, in 2019, sir, China also attacked in India, and they kill many soldiers of India.
Are you talking about the Galwan Ghati?
Yes, sir.
Okay, definitely. You know, main thing is that definitely I agree with your point that there should be trust issue with the China, but like Russia is with us. So what do you think that Russia?
Sir, I think that
It comes import, it's a too much with the China. Export, it's a very less. No. Okay, is there any another reason for the saying that we should have a strong bond with the America?
yes, sir, because sir, we are getting too much profit, and everyone know that if we are getting profit, then we can. And there is a big relationship with India and America before this meeting. So that's why I think that we should trust on America.
Okay, no, we have a strong bond with America. We should trust India, America. But main thing is that time to time, America, they tried to threaten, and all the prime minister like Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, everyone like they replied in a same manner like whatever in 1998 or 1999 when India was near to the Parmanu, then also that time America threatened us in 1971 when Indira Gandhi was trying to make the Bangladesh. Then again that president, he threatened us. But whatever you are saying to make a good bond with America, so personally you will say that I need a good relationship with America.
Yes, sir.
But right now, the condition is not same like in the past. So what do you think that what Indian government should do?
Sir, Indian governments make a good relation with America because we are getting.
How we will make? His president Trump is not ready to understand. Like in the Sindoor operation, na, our soldiers they attacked in Pakistan. Our Indian government they allowed, and after then Trump is without a single reason, without a single evidence. Trump is showing that he stopped the war.
Sir, but I think that the relation of Narendra Modi and Donald Trump is too much good. They are best friends. So
It was good. Main thing is that it was good. Right now it is not good.
sir, like America is making making fizzy drinks for India, so and exporting in India. So in India should also make India should also make things and export in America.
This is good. We are in surplus right now. America is the country. We import near 60%, and we import near 40%. We export 60%. But main thing is that now there is a tariff bump. Like whatever product we are selling in the America, so taxes are too high. He is taking 50% tariff. What do you want to say under that?
Sir, I think tariff is good, but this point,
Are you happy with the 50% tariff?
Not no, sir.
So
So I think that in this point, in the tariff points, I think that America is bad.
that's why all the scenario came in the picture. Now after that, Indian and American a relationship was not bad, but two statement given by the Trump, three statement given by the Trump, all the atmosphere bent wrong. Like first, that he stopped the war between Pakistan and India. Modi condemned that in the Lok Sabha that no one interrupt us. Second thing that he gave the tariff gift to India. Like firstly he increased the tariff by the 25%, after then 50%. Third thing that right now recently he gave the a statement that we are now India and America, we don't have the good relationship. Okay, what do you think about the citizens who lives in America?
Sir, there are 56 lakhs people live in America. Indian peoples, they live in America.
Definitely NRI.
And in China, only 60,000 people live in China. Indians.
This is the matter. Like main thing is that if Indian government will not make the strong bond with the America, so they will be in trouble, because too high. Like in China 60,000 and in America near 55 to 56 lakhs.
Yes, sir. And why Indian peoples are going in America? Because sir, they are getting too much high salaries and
security is the concern. They have the democracy, and people think that if they are in America, so they are secure.
So as everyone know that the income of America is too high and everyone is getting too much money. So that's why everyone is studying in India but going for earning money in America.
It is good or bad?
Sir, I think that for making the name of our country, sir, I think that it is good.
It is good, but they are not working for the India. So it is bad and good. It is called brain drain. Okay, if I make you the Prime Minister of India, so what three things you will do to have a good terms with America?
Sir, firstly, I will do meeting for America and
You will
India.
do a meeting with the America and India, okay?
Yes, sir.
It means directly you will talk to the president.
Yes, sir.
First thing
And
that Abhinandan will do, that he will talk to the president. Okay, second thing.
if they get agree, so that if they get agree, so nothing point. But if they not get agree, so we have to do some movements.
Like which kind of movements we'll do?
Sir, there is Russia, a good friend of India. Sir,
It means they are not ready to listen. So we should make a stronger bond with the Russia.
yes, sir.
Okay, it means firstly you will give the chance to America that come with us. Either same thing you will do with the Russia.
Yes, sir.
You will go with the Russia. Third point.
Sir, the third point, I think that if Russia comes, so everyone got agree that I will with India.
No, actually, main thing is that now this is the problem. Russia has power, but when it comes to political pressure, when it comes in EU and everywhere now, so he doesn't have many friends. He has the friends. Russia has the friends, but like America, he is the bully of the world. So, in the conclusion, you want to say something?
Sir, sir, the benefits we are getting from America, we are not the benefits from if we are relationship in America, then we are getting too much benefit. But if we are in relationship with China, so there is no benefit.
There is no benefit, but we are getting the cheap prices product, like whatever we are using, this Digitech mic. I think it is also from China.
Sir, but the online apps we are using, WhatsApp, Google, they are also from they are also designed by America. The most
technology. Yeah.
and the 5G we are using, they are also designed from America.
Designed by the America. Okay. So no problem. Again, इफ़ आई विल गेट एनी न्यू टॉपिक विद माय एक्सपर्ट। तो ये थे अभिनंदन सिंह। आपकी इनकी वीडियो कैसी लगी और